So this is the experience passing through the tunnel. Wow.
Sige, throw it, Joe. Sige. Smile.
Hello. Guys, mas experience may dakuan. Wow. That was an experience. Wow, automatic. Hello guys! Xin chào! Kumusta kayo lahat? This is Dave, the Puripo Traveler. And nandito tayo ngayon sa Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam. This is our second time in Vietnam, but first time in Ho Chi Minh. So this will be an Indo-China trip, 10-day Indo-China trip kasama Cambodia, Thailand. And ang starting point natin ay dito sa Vietnam. So ngayon, for today, ang gulang po natin, ang ating itinerary ay makapunta sa Cu Chi Tunnels and Mekong, two of the important landmarks here in Vietnam. So this will be historical, like cultural tour. Okay, so itong tour na ito, binook namin to sa Klook. Alright, so nasa 2,000 plus siya. I-comment ko na lang yung link sa baba ng ating activities and yung hotel natin. You can use my promo code DaveGinokluk para maka-discount kayo. Okay? May water provided. For this vlog, this will be a Cu Chi Tunnel vlog. Okay? Pinangunahin natin in separate vlog na lang si Meg. So nakakatuwa kasi sinundo tayo from our hotel. And then, ito yung ano, minibus.
Kasama mo.
Comfortable. Uy, hindi po. Saks lang. Nag-ano lang ako. Documentation. Hi, ate. Eh, hindi po. Sakto lang. Hey, si Jab sumichika na naman. Hindi po, hindi po. Ayan, endorse naman ako ng friends ko. So this is our first authentic banh mi here in Ho Chi Minh. Although nakain na tayo sa Hanoi. So again, while on our way to Cu Chi, it's pronounced as Cu Chi Tunnel, na very significant for the, you know, Vietnam War history. Itong ating breakfast because it will be a long day. Our first stop is Lang Phat Company. So this is a place where persons with disabilities, yung mga victims ng Agent Orange, dito sila gumagawa ng mga crafts, handicrafts. Okay? Alam mo yung Agent Orange, guys, yung from the Vietnam War na chemicals.
Vietnamese traditional dress, the name is áo dài. Áo is short and dài is long. It like eggshell, seashell, and hand painting together. We paint the red color here because the red is national color of Vietnam, lucky and happiness color. And the chicken shell. The white is natural color and the brown is burning color. One until break and stick with lacquer and western.
Oh, is this the same as this?
Oh yeah, the shape.
After
polishing.
Oh, okay. After polishing?
Yeah, after polishing. We're scanning my head and design on the motherboard.
Yeah.
And then
That is
fixing my
real.
headshot. First time by western.
Ito yung process, iniisa-isa natin dito.
Second time and last time by sandpaper.
1.5 week polishing, yeah. That takes time. So grabe, ano to talagang very by hand yung paggawa. Walang machine. Cool. Ganda. I love it. Ang galing-galing nila. Oo. So yan, sila talagang gumagawa dito ng handicrafts. So kung bibili kayo dito, 60% mapupunta sa mga victims of Agent Orange. Yun yung chemical talaga na pinasabog nung US, nung Vietnam War, na very dangerous sa health, na napasa siya from generation to generation. So gusto natin bumili dito ng quartz. Galing nila. 60% mapupunta sa kapag-military. So nakabili tayo ng vase guys. So it's 4,200 pesos. So ano siya, ito din kasi yung gusto kong binibit-bit sa bahay, yung mga display na nabibili ko sa iba't ibang bansa. And ito, maganda siya kasi nakakatulong siya sa mga biktima ng Agent Orange. And yung proceeds ay mapupunta din sa kanila. So every time uwi ako ng bahay, makita ko to, I will always remember this trip in Vietnam.
Has several names. Some people they call that city the underground city because there is look like the city underground. And the U.S. soldier they call this the tunnel rat, RAT, because they think that only the rats can get into the tunnel. Very small.
So we've arrived here sa Cu Chi Tunnels. So it's 2 hours away from Ho Chi Minh. So nagko-connect-connecta yung pinuntahan natin today, no. Kanina nandun tayo sa handicrafts place ng mga victims of Agent Orange during the Vietnam War. And ngayon nandito tayo sa Cu Chi Tunnels. It's a 250 kilometer long na tunnel na ginamit ng Vietcong or yung mga Vietnamese soldiers during the Vietnam War as base. And apparently, narinig natin kanina sa tour guide natin na ano to, ginawa ding bahay ng mga pamilya. So may 4 floors, actually 4 floors yung tunnel. So it's deeper than I expected kasi wala talagang masyadong alam sa tunnel. Nakita ko lang sa picture. Ang nice lang na we know the history of the places that we go, right? Para mas na-appreciate natin. Let's go. Let's keep right. Oh yeah. Yes. So that is the tunnel.
Yeah, this boy he is getting in it out. This hole we call this is the secret door, or we call this is the ancient gate.
Ancient gate.
Yeah, ancient gate. And in the past, the Vietcong they made a lot of ancient gate to get in and get out the tunnel. And also they use that to camouflage. And they usually put on the tree. And you see on the surface they cover that by putting the dry leaf on the surface. Very small. But it's not original size. In the they already remake it to fit from the side. So if you want to try, you can.
Do I go inside? Yeah.
Try. What's the experience?
Bye.
Bye-bye. Hindi na kami.
Good night.
Uy, yung kamay mo.
Nakikita ng kalaban.
Si yung Tacloban. Try, that was perfect. Bye-bye. See you in Cambodia. Do I go down first?
Yeah,
okay,
for
sorry.
the vlog.
And then
Put your hand
like that.
okay.
Smile.
Ay,
Sige, raise it.
stretch. Tas lusad na.
Wait lang.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Uy, gusto ko na i-try. Sige, go. Try.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Dave. Bye, Dave.
See you in France.
Sige, throw it, Joe. Sige. Smile.
Hala. Guys, mas experience. May datuan.
May water.
May da talaga tunnel na very...
May light.
Okay.
Thank you.
Kaya nasmutan niyo pag-igbaw.
This was the experience of the Vietnamese. Imagine their struggle during that time. Don't remove the leaves. It's part of their strat. Ayan. Diba nagko-camouflage siya? So hindi daw siya madaling makita ng normal eyes of the Americans. Ang lupit ng mga Amerikano. They had to build this kasi grabe yung atake sa kanila. Helicopters, dropping bombs, the Agent Orange. So napaka-dark ng part na yun ng history of Vietnam.
So they will burn that and they will mix with the poison. So then they put inside here. So when the enemy they are unlucky, they fall down. So they will get stuck inside. They got injured.
Wait,
And this one, that's the ventilation hole. As I told you,
Scorpion,
the Vicom, they use the bamboo bar, they connect to the ground and they make the ventilation
Ventilation.
hole to get the air from outside to inside.
Yeah.
So it
Ventilation
is
hole.
my mouth, right? In the past, the Vicom,
Ayan,
they make that about
ventilation
100
ng tunnel.
underground to make sure that when it rains,
Itong trip natin, very informative. Talagang feeling ko, in-immerse ko yung self ko as if I was that period. So, nabasa ko din sa Google na grabe yung living situation sa mga tunnels. May mga nagkakasakit, tapos mamamatay na lang sila dahil sa conditions in the tunnel. Yung malaria.
you can see here, you can have look here.
Yeah. Lovely view. Charing. Joke lang.
House with different way.
Finding
That,
bunker.
from here, if you go this way about
Kasi
800
dito yung
meters,
ano,
you go
dito
to
yung
the
gera
side of the
talaga.
river. 100 kilometer long, you go to the Cambodia border.
Cambodia borders there. From our experience, the Vietnamese, they're really smart and very strategic. That's the reason why they won the war. Tunnel wrap. Tunnel wrap. So it's a trap then. When people go inside, the Vietnamese shoot them. Alright, so these are the soldiers. This is their resting area. And this one, actually a local, guerrillas, women. Alright, gusto ko yun.
Yeah, and now how about your group?
Gusto ko yung picture.
Diba?
Ikaw talaga. Teddy Curtis. He's a celebrity in the Philippines. Yeah, you can take one. Our tour guide will want to take a photo with you. Go, Ellie.
Have no baby anymore.
The what?
And if they want to have baby, they need to go to Thailand.
Oh, that's
Okay,
a trap. This is the war military workshop. So, dito yung paggawa nila ng kanilang mga ginagamit sa gera. Guys, may mga we can hear the gunshots. Ano to? May glimpse tayo noon nang naririnig ng mga tao dito sa Cu Chi. Mas malala noon kasi mas maingay.
Yeah, 600.
So, bigger warning sa mga pupunta dito.
After 20
Rice
seconds, she
paper
will take
making.
it out. She put on the bamboo mat.
Na-amaze ako, even sa sleepers, very strategic sila.
Yeah, you
Like,
see,
may
normally
specifics.
it's,
Yeah, may
it
specific.
needs to look like this.
Amazed.
Yeah, the difference of this is the
Pinag-isipan
backward.
din pati chinelas.
Okay.
We'll enter the tunnel mid in the past, 1946, and was used as a base and shelter during the Vietnamese War. Come on guys, here we go. 100 meters, right? Thanks. Oh, yeah. So this is it. Guys, careful. So this is how they lived in the past.
Here is the tunnel.
Wow, Dex, brave ka.
Why?
Ah. Oh my God. So this is the experience passing through the tunnel. Wow. So this is the experiences of Vietnamese during the Vietnam War. Ouch. Wala, grabe.
Take off yung siguro makikita ka sa ulo.
This is the second exit, guys. Breathe in. Second.
And continue and finish this.
Go with Dave.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll go with Dave.
Amo na net exit 40?
I'm not sure.
We can do this.
My gosh.
Apa diri oh?
Mag-exercise dapat guys before going here. May mga exit guys and we'll crawl.
Dave, may bag ka?
May da.
Ano ako din?
Oh, go. Congrats! You made it. Ate, go. Yes. Okay. Wow. That was an experience. Imagine our struggle inside. Vietnamese people went through that a lot.
We can fight in the... Sige daw, tila daw.
So are this the food eaten by the Vietnamese during the war?
Yeah. Sabagay,
Yeah.
hati yan.
Let's eat this one.
Kasaba boss, kasaba.
No? So the tunnel yung kung saan tayo duman kanina, may hospital doon, may school. And then, yun lang yung rules dito. Talk without sound, cook without smoke, and walk. Sure.
Sound?
Without, what are the three? Joke, I forgot. Basta there, you have to be really silent. Just no clues. Walk without footprints, no clues that you're living there, that you were there. Itong Cu Chi Tunnel experience, one of my most favorite tours I've ever had. Talagang immersive. Actually, this is the most immersive one na tour kasi syempre lumusot tayo sa tunnel na na-experience ko. So kung kayo mag-Ho Chi Minh, talagang i-experience nyo ito, endeavor nyo to guys. Kasi very informative, dami kang matututunan. It will bring you, back in time. And ang galing ng tour guide natin, ang dami niyang alam. Siyempre, tour guide siya. Pero ang dami talaga natin natutunan sa kanya. Experiencing this with my friends, it's nice, it's great. It's a great experience. Yun. So, thank you so much guys for watching. Puputuin ko na to kasi masyadong mahaba na. Ilalagay ko yung Mekong Delta Tour sa ibang vlog. Alright? Pero nabook natin to sa Klook. So, this is Dave guys, the Kuripot Traveler. Let's live our best lives. Bye-bye!